Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to discuss accounting of multiple services in a single entry. Explain accounting of multiple services in a single supply with an example. Accounting multiple services in a single supply. So previously we have done one supply or one goods. We are purchasing or selling only one product, or we are receiving only one service. But now we are discussing about multiple services. In the daily business activities, a company deals with purchasing of goods and services from one or various distributors. However, in some cases, the company avails various supplies from a single supplier, that is, purchasing of multiple services from a single supplier. That means we are purchasing multiple services from a single supplier. During such supplies or transaction, the supplier will issue a single invoice including tax for the various services provided by him. As various services are availed from a singular supplier, it comes under event management. These services can be grouped under one ledger created by using groups option from ledger creation screen in Tally ERP9. Let us understand tax configuration details under accounting of multiple services in a single supply with the help of following example. So here is telling that if we are receiving multiple services from a single supplier, so how we have to do the configuration in Tally. He has given an example for our easy understanding. Pass the transactions for multiple services in a single supply with GST in Tally ERP9. Purchase voucher on 1st July 2018. The HSN Developer Private Limited of Hyderabad got a contract from Miracle Agencies of Warangal to provide the following services: event management services with a budget of 40,000, design services with 75,000, 18% GST was charged, a reference number H1. Now, HSN Developers of Private Limited got a contract from Miracle Agents of Warangal to provide the following services. So we are HSN Developers. We got a contract from Miracle Agencies of Warangal. So we are giving two services. One is event management services. The second one is design services. And we are charging 40,000 for this service and 75,000 for these services. So we have to do the following settings. So first we have to create a company with the name HSN Developers. We have to create the company. And after creating, so we have to create different groups: event management services group and design services group. So creation of accounting masters, sorry, yeah, actually small correction in the question. HSN Developers, they received services from Miracle Agencies. I'm repeating once again, HSN Developers have received services from Miracle Agencies. So Miracle Agencies is a creditor for HSN Developers. So now what are the required things here? So in the material he has created event management services group. For that group he has given all the GST details. So after creating that, he created design services group also. For that group also he has given GST details. And next he has created Miracle Agencies ledger under sundry creditors. He has given the GST number also. After that he has created two services: purchase of event services under event management services group and Next one is purchase of design services under design services group he has given. So after that he has created CGST, SGST tax. Then he posted the invoice in purchase voucher. This he has done. So we will do one by one in Tally. Actually, event management services and design services groups not required here. So whenever in event management services there are different services, then we can create event management services one group. In that group we can divide different things. If design services are having different services, so that in that case we have to create design group services and we have to add different services in that group. But here there is only one service, event management service, and only one design service, so there is no need of creating groups. So directly we can create with the ledgers. So now what are the ledgers we are required for entering this, for entering these transactions in purchase voucher? What are the required ledgers? Means one is event management services ledger we require, that is purchase of event management services. Next, purchase of design services, CGST, SGST, Miracle Agencies. These are the ledgers we require. Now we are going to create them one by one in Tally. Now this is a gateway of Tally, HSN developers. So already I have created all those ledgers. I am going to show now one by one. Ledgers. So event management services under purchases, and I have given the GST details here. Yes, event management, HSN number, taxable. So I'm going to change this name actually, purchases from purchases of event management services. So under the group purchase you have to give, and here set or alter GST details, yes, and you have to give the details and type of supply, services. And one more thing is design services. We are purchasing design services also. So purchase of design services under purchase account. Here also set or alter GST details, yes, in that give the description, HSN code number. So here nature of transaction, select purchase taxable. Previously also select purchase taxable. Integrated taxes 18%, central tax 9%, state tax 9%. Type of supply, services, save. Next we require Miracle Agencies. So Miracle Agencies under sundry creditors, maintain bill wise bill, yes. And here under tax registration details, a registration type regular, GST number. So yes, set or alter GST details, registration type regular, GST number I have given. So we have created all the ledgers which are required for purchase entry. Now go to accounting vouchers, supplier invoice number. Here the supplier invoice number is H1, reference number H1. So now change the date 1st July. So party name Miracle Agencies, control A. So here, so change actually, if for example if your screen appears like this, so change it as a voucher mode, control V, change it to voucher mode. Yeah, yeah. It is in a, so generally it will be in invoice mode. So change it as to 1 second. Here give the details purchases from, so purchase of event management services. So how much we purchased, that means we received services worth uh, 40,000. So give 40,000. And next we received design services, purchase of design services amount is 75,000. Next CGST 10,350 and SGST 10,350. So now we will see the voucher how they got in the book. So if you observe here, so purchase of event services 40,000, purchase of design services 75,000, and central tax 10,350 and state tax 10,350. And the tax analysis report is shown in the screen. So we will see the tax analysis report, alt A. So for details, if you want detail, that means, so for management services 7200, that means 3600, and for design services 13,500, 6750. So now we will see 3600, 6750. So now even if you want, you can see in the report also. So before that, save it. So control A, save. So now if you want, we can say in the report, display statutory reports, GST, GSTR, GSTR1, sorry, GSTR2. So change the date. So here, so, so taxable value 1,15,000. So total tax 20,700. So 1,50,000 and tax amount is 20,700. So if you want in detail, go to F12, show tax types in a separate column. Yes. So here central tax 10,350, state tax 10,350, and we have got an input tax rate of 10,350. So this is about supply of multiple services. That means if we are receiving a multiple services, in this way we have to do. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and please click on the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.